Hi there! You're here, so glad you could make it. Welcome. My name is Renato Escudero, but you can call me Ru. Welcome to English 1A, Composition and Reading. In this class, we'll investigate the themes of literacy and academic literacies. We will practice active reading. We'll be annotating texts, and we will be keeping triple entry reading journals for most of our readings. We will have weekly readings, discussions, and other interesting activities. We'll also write 4 major essays through multiple drafts with peer review. And we'll have a final portfolio project in which you compose a major revision of a previously graded essay and a reflections of learning essay for the semester. Let me tell you a little bit about each of the major essays. The first essay is going to be a literacy narrative, where you explore some of your experiences with reading, writing, learning, and where you are in terms of literacy at the start of the course. Essay number 2 is an informed opinion of what college writing is or is not. Essay number 3 is a rhetorical analysis investigating multiple authors, rhetorical situations, and the rhetorical devices and appeals they use in their writing. Essay 4 is an argumentative essay with research. There will be a final portfolio which includes a major revision of a previously graded essay and a reflections of learning essay. So what's next? Read this homepage. When you're done, click on the Start button below and start with Module 0 getting started right away and complete it before our first in-person meeting. After that, each time that you log into our Canvas course site, you'll want to check this homepage for recent announcements at the top of the page. And then, once you've checked the homepage for announcements, always stay on the modules page. You'll go through all the items in each module sequentially. All instructions, readings, activities, assignments, and due dates can be found on the modules page within the modules. One module leads to the next one. The modules and the pages and the items and the modules build upon each other, so don't skip around. Or you might find yourself lost when it comes time to writing your essays. You're actually you'll save a lot of time and confusion if you stay on the modules page and don't skip around. I'm not going to lie to you. This is not an easy class, and I'm going to put you to work hard. So please give this course at least 10 to 12 hours of your time each week outside of class, and come see me during student hours to discuss your progress. I'm also happy to do tutorials during student hours. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or issues or problems with the class. I'm here for you, and I'm always happy to help. Whatever your circumstances may be, I'm sure that we can work it out together, because, teaching for me is not just a job, it's a passion. I love doing it, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. Here's to a great semester, okay? See you in class.